an air-tightened instrument like this Suzuki Series bass has much more resonance when it's air-tightened. It doesn't have its slider on yet because I haven't drilled it. I made it this morning, but you can hear the sound out of this. And when the harp is airtight, the whole instrument becomes alive and resonant, and you can really, really hear it on this. It's just, the whole thing comes alive. Now, the process of air tightening an instrument like this Suzuki Series bass, and again, look at those covers, how open those are, beautiful. Just a great instrument in the hand. This has the ergo button as well. The air tightening involved flattening the comb, then taking the mouthpiece and using lapping compounds, rub it down into that comb until the space between the slide and the underside of the mouthpiece and the top of the comb is absolutely minimal, and then it's totally airtight. It's an example, a nice example of air tightening and its impact on quality of tone.